everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a design team project for Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. And a couple of days ago I brought you the first part of this project. Today will be part 2, and I just wanted to revisit so you get an idea of what part 2 is. I had made this beautiful envelope stack of all these pretty little embellished envelopes and cards with the beautiful bunnies kit. Isn't that pretty? A sweet little lacy envelope with a little card that you can write in. And then we won't open them all up, but you can watch the video. I'll link it below. But all of these beautiful, beautiful envelopes with places to write in, and a little ephemera kit with little note cards in it that you can write little messages or use as gift tags. Sweet little tags. This one's just full of ephemera. Pretty little pieces with the beautiful bunnies. So today we're bringing you part 2 of that, and I will show you the kit that we're using just to kind of refresh your memory. And it's the beautiful bunnies kit, dress up pink set number 1. Now Doreen has like collections, so in her kits you'll see the paper packs, then you'll see ephemera packs, you'll see postcard packs, you'll see envelopes, you'll see all kinds of goodies. So each thing is kind of a separate kit, so when you're ordering, keep that in mind. This one is the paper pack. So this is again the beautiful bunnies kit, dress up pink set number 1, and it includes the envelopes you can fold up, and beautiful plates that you can embellish, and little lockets, beautiful little pieces that you can use. And I'll show you how I used one of these here shortly. And some more of the plates for the ephemera, and then here is the beautiful pages that you can use. Aren't those lovely? I just think this is the prettiest kit. Look at those ruffles. Are those just to die for? So that is the paper pack, and then I'll be bringing you part 3 of this project on Thursday. I did a thrifty flip using these 3 sheets that I just showed you. So then today's project involves the beautiful little bunnies. And this is the beautiful bunnies kit, dress up pink set number 2. And it has all the sweet little bunnies. Aren't they just adorable? Pretty little sentiments in here, the lovely little jeweled lockets, Fabergé eggs. Aren't they just precious? This one has the postcards and little journaling cards, little mini cards. These would be adorable to make into a tiny little book. I used these for embellishments on the envelopes that we just looked at. The little tiny ones were perfect for that. And then beautiful floral and bows. And these were all used in the envelope set as well, the stationery set. And then sweet little pockets with the bunnies peeking out. I just think that is so adorable. So those are 2 of the kits within the collection, and there's several more. I will link Doreen's shop, Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, in the comments in the description section below, and you can go on and see all of her beautiful kits. And I will put these 2 bunny kits on there so you can readily find those. So I am so excited to show you part 2. This one was a labor of love. It took me a little while to get it created, and I'll tell you a little backstory before we look at it. When I was little, my daddy used to slip little trinket presents under my pillow and under my brother's pillow. And I'll be dating myself here when I mention this, but I was obsessed with little kittles when I was a young girl. They were tiny little lockets, and inside of the little locket there was a tiny little doll, and each one was different, and I had the whole collection because he used to put them under my pillow for little surprises. And that got me to thinking, how sweet would it be to carry on a tradition like that in this generation when we're so into the electronics and everything. I think going back to something simple and sweet is just a fun idea. So with that in mind, I created, out of Doreen's beautiful bunny kit, this beautiful bunny pillow. I printed, let's see, let me find her again. I should have kept her out. I printed, let's see, where did she go? This one. I printed this page on fabric. This is on muslin. And then I sewed her onto the beautiful pink fabric. I cut out one of the little sentiments and embellished it. It says, "You are somebody special." Isn't that sweet? And then I adorned her little floral hat with little flowers. Trimmed it in all kinds of beautiful ruffle lace. I just think she is adorable. And how this ties into the story I just told you is, on the back, I created a pocket, and I made a little sentiment of my own. It says, "Somebody loves you." And in the pocket, we have two, I don't know if this will show on camera, but there's two pockets in here. And I thought, how sweet would it be to carry on a tradition like that? Give this to a little special girl in your life. Write her little letters out of these beautiful little cards. And then when she receives a letter in the mail, Mommy and Daddy can tuck them in her little pillow for her to discover. Maybe you're an auntie, or you're a godmother, or just a special friend, maybe for your own daughter. You know, it could be anything, just for a special little girl in your life. And so there's something for the adult and something for the child. And even if it's not used with the stationery set, Mommy and Daddy could use it and put a little book in there. This is from when I was a little girl. I loved Beatrix Potter, Tale of Peter Rabbit. This was my whole collection, mine and my brother's and my cousin. It was my cousin first, and then he passed it down to my brother and I. But I thought, how sweet, the little child could pick out the bedtime storybook that they wanted during the day. They could tuck it in the little pocket, set it on their bed, and then at night when Mommy and Daddy came in to read, it would be right there. Or it can be used to tuck in little surprises. I made this little bunny out of one of the other bunny kits, just a little plushie, and Mommy and Daddy could tuck in a little surprise in the pillow for the child to discover. So I thought that was just darling. I think it turned out so stinking cute. I just absolutely love it. I love the sentiment behind it. I loved creating this. It made me think of my sweet daddy. He's been gone since 2009, and I just think of him all the time, and that just brought back the sweetest memory. But I think she just turned out adorable. I just absolutely love her. And then also with that kit, let's see if I can put her up there. We saw these sweet little jeweled lockets, the little jewelry pieces. I made also on fabric. I printed this out, and I jeweled a little dangle, and this is stuffed with lavender inside, and it can be hung up. It's going to be hard to show that on camera, but it can be hung up as like a little dream catcher. It can be hung in the window so you can see all these beautiful sparkly beads. It can be hung on a doorknob like a little sachet, on a bedpost, so you smell that beautiful lavender. I just think this turned out so, so sweet. I am so, so happy with this. So that is part 2 of this ongoing project. I hope you liked it. I would love to know what you think about the story and the little bunny pillow, and if it's something that you think people would use. I just think she's so sweet. I love to show the versatility of Doreen's digitals. We all love to make the journals and the paper crafts. There's no doubt about it. And I actually am working on 2 paper projects at the moment I'll be bringing you soon. But I also love the fact that these can be done in so many different ways on fabric. Just so versatile. And look at how beautiful she comes out. She's a little bit muted on the fabric, but I think it just gives it such a soft, soft look. I just think she's so beautiful. And then this, I forgot to mention, this was one of the other pages in the kit. I'll show you that one again too. I think it turned out so pretty on fabric as well. Let's see, where did I put it? Here it is. So that's this page. And look at how beautiful that transitioned onto the fabric. I just think that's so lovely. So that is my project today. I hope you liked it. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. And I just thank you all so much for joining me. I thank Doreen for making such beautiful kits for us to work with. And Doreen, I think we need some little boy bunnies so we can do projects for little boys. I think that is so, so sweet. So I appreciate your comments. All of my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. All of the ones that have come back and commented, I so appreciate you. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye, y'all.